Gino Joseph, Editor-in-Chief of Modern Plastics TV and Global Group Editor of Modern Plastic Network. I'm happy to have a meeting today with Mr. Chetan Mehta, Group CEO of Golken Group, a Rajkot-based company having global presence. Welcome, Mr. Chetan Mehta.
Thank you.
As you are into packaging business, we are happy to invite you here. And I would like to know the current scenario, what is going in the industry, what is the current scenario of packaging industry, and what are the latest developments during and after the COVID-19. How do you see the market?
Hello everyone. Firstly, thank you Jinuji for giving me an opportunity to present myself or my opinions on the present plastic scenario, or rather one-time use plastics in the global pandemic scenario. Jinuji, it's always been a pleasure to meet you in person, and I think this is maybe we are meeting after 1 year of a long span because of the pandemic scenario, but nevertheless it's always a great pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much, Jinuji. Coming back to the main topic, one-time use plastics. According to my perception, it has been a blessing in disguise, or rather a boon to the global world, to the global world, as it has been the product which has saved a lot many lives and which has been instrumental in distributing various products across the globe. In India, I would like to stress upon the point that one-time plastics, which was about to be banned, has come back into existence because of this pandemic. Mainly, the reason behind is the state authorities or the government authorities who have been distributing various food products and various products across to various migrant laborers, or rather one-day wage workers, or to the people who have been confined in the red zones, who are not being able to come out. They have been distributed with the food products in plastic bags or in plastic containers or any other plastic packaging product. So this has been a great help for India, where this product has been a useful product for all of us, and again it has come into existence, and I think it has got a long way to go. Of course, there are pros and cons of plastic products, but that has to be addressed in a very systematic way. Mainly, I would like to stress upon that the waste management has to be controlled very effectively, and this would counter the wastage, and the plastic consumption or one-time use plastic will go up drastically without damaging or without hampering the environment. And this is what I would like to say on this.
Everybody talk about banning plastics or banning the single-use plastics instead of managing the waste properly. And as per my opinion, plastic is not bad, but our habits are made the situation bad. How do you see how we can improve? As you have a warehouse in Australia, how do you see compare the global other countries with India for waste management, or how we can improve on recycling and circular economy? How do you see this?
This is a very good question. It's quite debatable subject, but I would like to express my opinion on this. Basically, see, there is a common statement which is being used everywhere, or which we know all, that plastics don't litter. It is we who litter plastics. So this has to be understood very well, and I would like to mention that the systems need to be in place. For example, the segregation, the collection, and the recycling of plastics has to be organized in a proper way so that the disposal is to the minimum. And yes, of course, as far as manufacturing goes, the EPR system should be in place for all the manufacturing units as far as the plastic is concerned, so that there will be a proper channelization and proper management of plastic waste, which would be carried out very effectively. The main, again, I would like to conclude on this particular question is that the segregation should be proper, the collection should be proper, and the recycling system should be handled in a very effective way, which would eventually minimize the wastage of plastics, and the consumption of plastics would grow up exponentially. Yeah.
What message you want to give it to a common people and the industry as such?
Again, I would like to give a message to all the common people, including myself, that let's create awareness as far as the disposal of plastic is concerned. Let's not throw plastics here and there, which would eventually harm the environment. And let's take individual responsibility that each and every bit of plastic is being thrown into the proper dustbins, or let's call it channels, where they go for segregation, they go for collection, and then eventually for recycling. This will gradually decrease the wastage of plastics, and of course plastics growth is tremendous, and it would exponentially grow leaps and bounds. Let's create awareness. That is what I would like to say. And again, I would like to mention that plastics don't litter. This is what we litter. And let's create awareness amongst all, and it's a magical product, believe me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chetan Mehta, for joining us, and thank you for your valuable contribution to the industry. Plastic do not litter, we litter.
Yeah.
The message goes on, and make sure you should not put your plastic waste in public or in the river or ocean or the public places. Use the recycle bin or a waste bin, and make sure it goes to recycling. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time for everyone. Thank you.
Lastly, take care, stay safe. Namaskar. Thank you very much.